Hi guys, don't forget about the giveaway. This fidget spinner right here. Yeah, the one in my hands. Dip, no dip. I wasn't talking to you guys, you viewers, but I was talking to myself. And so this is gonna be the new look to my Airsoft gun. Voila. Like, I didn't spray the tip orange because that's illegal to not have an orange tip in town. I didn't get all of it because I didn't spray paint right there because last night I spray painted it and the button doesn't push as easy. It still works, but the button doesn't push as easy. And yeah, it almost looks like a pro Airsoft gun almost. But yeah. Oh, and also guys, make sure to click that like button. Boop, boop, boop. And don't forget that I'm also doing a giveaway for that. Well, I mean, not that. This. So, yeah, and so make sure to hit that bell button. It looks like something. Hit that bell button. Sub with a little smiley face. And click that play button to watch the video. So, yeah, bye.